So now let's, I'll show you how simple this is. Okay, open your bag up. These are your extra pieces for different kinds of walking terrain. And then look how simple this is. You're just gonna take this Velcro, undo it. This all drops out just like that. Super simple. You're gonna pull this out, put this in, boom, and now pull that till it clicks. There's a little click right there. See there? Pull it till it clicks. Same down, same down here. And then we're all snug. And then up here, you're gonna be able to make it however, as big as you want. 130 centimeters, it looks like 130 is the maximum. And there you go, look, all the way up there. But that's too big for me. So I'm gonna put it down to about right there. But my arm is like this. And that's it, that's how easy it is. Put this together. Super easy. It has a nice strap on it so you don't lose it. Snug if you need it.